won't start. No, my car won't start. Yeah, I can't get far because my car won't start. I put every penny I had in her, she won't give it up. Now I ain't got nothing left. I should have bought a truck, my car won't start. Yeah, my car won't start. My car won't start. No, I can't get far because my car won't start. I put every penny I had in her, I even sold my bedroom. Now I ain't got nothing left. I should have bought a horse instead. My car won't start. No, I better walk. Yeah, I better walk. Yeah, walk the talk. I better walk. I put every penny I had in her, I even sold my crib. I still got my car, she still won't start, but I can sleep in it. My car won't start, yeah, 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 yeah. Whoa. Oh, well, thank you for blessing us, Heather Rogers.